range of hearing. Human beings can hear sound having frequencies between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. This is called our audible range. And the sounds having frequencies below 20 Hz are called infrasonic sounds, and these are produced by animals such as elephants, whales and rhinoceros. They can produce and hear infrasonic sounds. And the next one is the sounds above 20,000 Hz. They are called ultrasonic sounds. They are produced and sensed by animals like dolphin, bats, etc. So there are some applications for ultrasonic sounds. What are they? The first one is cleaning instruments. So the instruments or apparatus which is to be cleaned is kept in a solution and ultrasonic waves are sent into it. What will happen? Due to high frequencies, the dirt are detached from the surface. So in this way, we can clean apparatus or instruments. And the second one is detecting cracks and flaws in metal blocks. We can detect cracks in metal blocks. In this case, ultrasonic waves are sent into the metal blocks, and if there is a crack, this wave is reflected back. So we can detect whether there is a crack in or not. And the last one is medical diagnosis. You can see a picture here. So the first one is echocardiography. What is echocardiography? This is a technique where we use ultrasonic sounds to get the images of heart. And the second one is ultrasonography. So you are familiar with ultrasound scanning, ultrasound scanner, etc. So what is that? An ultrasound scanner uses this ultrasonic sound to take the images of internal organs. So the waves are sent into the body, and these waves will be reflected by the tissues. If there is any abnormality in the tissue of an organ, we can detect it. The images can be printed in a film or can be displayed in a monitor like this. And the last one is breaking of kidney stones. Due to high frequencies, ultrasound waves can be used to break these stones in the kidneys. So these are some of the applications of ultrasonic sound.